Very warm welcome to all of you. Today in this video we are going to discuss about Kiro IDE and Kiro Hackathon. So first of all, today is 7th August. I will record a video at um, approximately 12 o'clock, 11:59. So basically, GPT-5 is released also latest news. And another one is today in this video I am going to discuss about how you can get Kiro how you can submit your email ID in Kiro ID. I recently participate in this Kiro hackathon, so as part of this, I receive a Kiro code and I receive a early access. So yeah, that's it for my side basically. So if you let me tell you what is a Kiro. Kiro is a nothing but IDE, integrated development environment, where like VS Code, that's it, created by Amazon. And this is a AI based IDE like Cursor, Windsurf. So yeah, and if you didn't join waitlist, please click on join waitlist and submit your email ID. I already submitted, and here okay, and yeah, here you can see, you can see the which operating system are using, Mac, Windows and Linux. So I will select Windows and install the necessary package. So yeah, in this way, if you didn't if you are existing user, you have been be invited of waitlist or use link below to upgrade. So basically you need to submit your email ID. Okay, it will take couple of second to install this thing. So sorry, download Kiro ID. So this is the first unfiltered video where uh, I receive a, I think 22 minute ago I receive a, this Kiro ID email, and let's do this. Yeah, so basically in this YouTube channel Generative AI Group, I will try to upload a raw video in about generative AI, what is new in AI, and so yeah. And if you want to, please follow me in LinkedIn and Twitter. So where I what is the latest update available in AI, I will usually share this update in this platform. And if you want to connect one to one, then join our Discord forum. Usually we connect in Discord and try to solve our AI doubt and discuss about AI. Yeah. So here you can see we need to agree terms and condition of Kiro ID. Just click on next. Here click on next. Click on next. Okay, create icon. I need a create a Kiro icon. Just click on next and install it. Didn't basically didn't ask any uh, access code as of now. Maybe sign in Kiro. Okay, see, okay, maybe after that it will ask a access code. Okay, setup detected is currently running. Okay, okay, this setup. Okay, we need to I didn't fast forward this video. I will talking about AI. So today is a GPT-5 release. If you want to get early access, so let me open this thing and don't divert into this topic. Yeah, here you can see GPT-5 is released. Okay, we didn't get access yet, but yeah, in future free user code also get access. Okay, and currently I cancel this thing. Let me wait couple of seconds. So yeah, okay, here you can see my installation part is completed. Just click on finish and let's see. Okay, here I can see the Kiro icon. Let's double click on this Kiro icon and it will open. Yeah, okay, yeah, here you can see the Kiro. Let me sign in with GitHub. It will take a default web browser. Okay, yeah, it's no it will take a default web browser. Sign in will bring a back when it's complete. Okay, maybe here it's open. No, it didn't open. Let me cancel it. Let me close this thing again and it will double click on this particular. In this time what I try to do, let okay, sign in with Google. Okay, It may take some time. Let's see. Okay, yeah, here you can see this process. And let me copy the access code, otherwise we can't access it. Kiro. Okay, here I use Gmail, so just click on Gmail and continue it. You can close this window. Okay, I can close this. Okay, access code. Here I need to put access code and validate this access code. Okay, close this window, just close it, and yeah, successfully I can migrate extension. Okay, I don't want to migrate any extension, and I want to use light theme. Okay, great. Setup is completed. Great. Oh, welcome to Kiro. Yeah, so this is the same way we can see it's a nice UI. Open a project or connect to Git or GitHub. Yeah, SSH. And here we can see the text file like VS Code like UI. And okay, here file menu is too minimalistic. I like the theme of Kiro. It's a good one. Okay, it feel like soft and all the edges are curved. Okay, this is a nothing but Kiro. Let me create a one project. And yeah, here I tried to create a project. Let's see. Okay, this is I trust this project entire project. And okay, so basically install extension for Anthropic. And okay, I will Anthropic code alike and other repositories. So let me VS Code speech. Sorry, I will install it. Okay, I Python allow it code alike VS Code. Okay, perfect. Cloud code. This is my one of the favorite tool. Restart extension. Okay, perfect. We are good to go. Let me wait second time. Yeah, restart extension. Okay, here we can see this thing. And okay, here we can see the Kiro IDE option. Is there any limit? Okay, vibe. Chat first, then build, explore the idea. Hmm. Rapid exploration, testing, building, and then this way. Okay, here we can buy. Oh, we have a good model. Cloud 4 and Cloud 3.7. Okay, we can add images. We can add context here. Okay, which is a context, which thing we want to take. Okay, here I want to take. I want to add some MCP. So let's see. Okay, currently I close other things. So maybe I do not clutter much about this thing. Okay, I think whatever I install in my VS Code, it will fetch from there. Okay, yeah, remember, yeah, perfect. Now let's say no result MCP. Okay, as part of context, other thing, files, code base. Okay, code, dogs. Select a folder, Git. Perfect. Terminal problems. Okay, steering. This is a new one. Let me autopilot MCP. MCP. Okay, thinking through a feature in-depth project. This is a vibe. Rapid exploration for testing, building, then requirement and unclear. Okay, this is a spec mode and autopilot. Oh, what I can see in autopilot and not on autopilot mode. Yeah, this is a Kiro public preview. I think there is a I didn't see any limit part yet. Okay, here we can define our task and perfect. We are good to go. Here we can define new session also. Here we can see the history. Okay, this is a Kiro icon and MCP server we want to take. Okay, here if I click MCP server here, I can see the existing MCP server fetch. If I want to add an MCP server, how can I add it? This is the extension. Okay, I will click on cloud code. This is released by Anthropic. Okay, here I can see the Kiro steering dogs and other things. In manage, I can create a profile and other thing also. Yeah, first big autocomplete. Enable to tab autocomplete. Here suggest a ID and report a bug. Okay, perfect. We are good to go here. I think they some of the project they try to find some git command or my code and draw some graph related to my project. Okay, as of now I didn't do anything. Let's see, is there any limit or anything else I can see from cursor. Add cursor above and run debugging endpoint, and there is some pricing related to this thing. uh, okay, I didn't okay, let's see here I can find the terminal also. Okay, perfect. I think we in this particular ID video I explored an in-depth new session. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. In upcoming video, we vibe code using Kiro IDE and stay connected. Thank you so much.